Hello and welcome to Batteries, Models and Transport. So this is the final touch on the Jouef signal box. Well, we still have to print the nameplates, and here we see the second signalman climbing to his post. He's just climbed the steps up to the top, and the other one's in there operating the levers. Maybe you can sort of see him. I don't really know what you can see right now. Yes, there he is. He's in there. There he is. There's his colleague. Okay. Right, and you can see that it's propped up on a pencil because I put two spots of glue and glaze under his boots, and then another spot on his elbow, and he's propped up against the banister. And I have an impression that this signal box is slightly over. It's HO, but it's slightly oversized. It's more, I think it's more double O by the height of the banister compared to the small figurines. I should do some measurements. So in fact, I've always thought that this is a very good signal box, both for HO and double O train running. This is why I'm planning to make the nameplate here on the side of the signal box to be able to change it to fit either Chapelon Crosty, which is the HO guise of the 90 by 100 centimeter layout, or the double O name that I've not decided yet. We can talk about that in upcoming episodes. I am also thinking to weather the brickwork. I've not made my mind up how to do that. I saw a very interesting video by Arcadia Model Junction this morning. It was very interesting, using the EK marker pens and various other techniques, and I'm thinking of what I could do. I mean, it's not spotless. It isn't spotless. It's pretty weathered, but I'm thinking maybe I'd like to bring out the brickwork, make it stand out a bit more. So I don't know. I'll think about what to do. I mean, we've got time, but that's the main thing. Is this is now finished, so we've even added the wee man. Cheerio, and see you next time. There we go. Ciao ciao. If you like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, share and comment. I always like to read your comments, and I always like to reply. Ciao ciao.